Part 3 of this demo, I want to show you another way of doing toning with a black and white image in Photoshop using DuoTone. To begin here, I'm going to turn off the two toning layers that I created earlier, so we're back to a neutral black and white image. And this is going to seem a little odd, but we're going to go through a set of changes to the mode of the image by going to the to the image menu, mode, and the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to switch it to grayscale. And I'm going to say no, don't merge my layers. And we'll go ahead and rasterize at this point, that's fine. And yes, we can discard our black and white layer that's no longer needed, etc., etc. And now we have a completely black and white image. I mean, it's really a black and white file, not just a black and white image. And now I'm going to go back up to the image menu to mode, and I'm going to switch this to 8 bits per channel from 16. And I'm doing this because the next option is not available to me when we have a 16-bit per channel image. So now we go back up to the image menu and mode again, and we're going to choose DuoTone, which was grayed out when we were in 16-bit. DuoTone is going to bring up this dialog box where we get to choose from a number of presets, and you can modify these presets if you'd like as well. Basically what DuoTone and Tritone and Quadtone are doing is this is meant for a professional offset printing press where several different colors of ink will be printed in overlapping fashion, perhaps a black and a gray and a warm tone together. We're going to imitate this by choosing one of these presets. So here's a warm gray 11 and a black 2 or something like that. But you've got all these different presets in here that you can choose from. Here's a cool gray. So it's black with a slightly cool gray Pantone ink. I'll go further up. I mean, there's a lot of these that you may not want. There's kind of a bluish version of black and white. And let's see if I go up to... usually these ones with warm gray are the ones that really suit what I want to do. So this one is a tritone. It's doing black, one mid-tone, like a slightly warm tone gray, and then an even lighter tone gray. And once I'm satisfied with the one that I want, I'll go ahead and click OK. And now I'm going to go back to the image menu again to mode and switch it back to RGB. So if I tried to print from DuoTone with a regular Epson printer, it wouldn't know what to do with that information. But it does know what to do with RGB information. So now that I've applied that color with the DuoTone process, I can switch it back to RGB. I say no, don't merge. And there we go, and it's ready to print with, just like you would print any color image. This is a red, green, blue RGB image. You're not going to print this as advanced black and white mode. You're going to print this as a color image, but you've gotten to those colors through the DuoTone process. And that concludes our 3-part toning in black and white series. Thanks.